Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add custom emojis to your Discord server. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and select your server. We're gonna go over into server name, so we're gonna tap on it. Here, we're gonna go over and click server settings, and we're gonna go to expression section, go to emoji, and here we can upload an emoji. As you guys can see, if we have any customized files like pictures, videos, and etc., you should be able to do that. Of course, you can select all files, and here if you have any pictures, you'll be able to easily add them as the emojis. So let me go to downloads. Here I have the emoji. As you guys can see, we want to upload it to hard reset, and we get 50 slots, so we get 50 custom emojis. Here we can flip it, we can rotate it, and we can zoom in or zoom out. So we can click on finish, and as you guys can see, we can also change the name. Now whenever we're here, we can type in our emoji and we will send it. So that's how you guys can do it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.